Hello. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the channel. I was just driving around or riding around on the bike, and I come across this temple just down by Bangsala, and never been here before, so I thought I'll give it a go. Stop, have a look around, and it seems quite a nice temple to view. Let me turn the camera around and show you part of the temple that I'm looking at. Got some nice little features here by the looks of it. A couple of changs, elephants, statues. Looks like quite an impressive temple. Just the entrance to it, so I won't go up onto the platform. There's other areas to look at. This looks like the central temple. I don't know if we can get in there. I think it's closed off. Quite impressive. As I say, you go to these temples around Thailand, they're very much the same, but some are better than others. This looks like a better one. Let's have a look down here and see what we can see. And it looks like we have to go to the top to see the sitting Buddha. So let's make the climb. Like everywhere in these temples, you have to go up the stairs. The Buddha's always at the highest point. Let's have a look on this level. And all these ribbons are tied on the rail for good luck to be spread in the wind. So here we are at the top of the climb, and there's Big Buddha sitting there looking over everyone. Let's have a quick look over the side. There's a temple we just come up from, small temple. And again, Buddha's footprint. I think this is a new temple. There's lots of building work still going on, and looks like they're still building, or at least renovating, the temple, which I must admit is looking quite nice now. So when it's finished, it'll be one of the better temples to look at. Let's have a look over the side on this side. Again, all the good luck ribbons. There we go. That's the Bangsala and the ocean over that side. And of course, can't go anywhere where you can eat all this.
Yes, can eat any.
You can eat that. I'm being reliably told you can make soup out of it. All of this. Yeah. And you've got some dignitary overlooking the land as well. I think there's it's resident here. There's a few monks walking around, so they must be sleeping here or resident here. There's the Buddha. As I say, we were just riding down the road and we see this Buddha just through the top of the trees, and so we stopped, took the opportunity to have a look around. Then we come down the stairs where, like most temples, you can ring the bells. And down there's various depictions of Buddha. In various states, you've got the laying Buddha. And like most temples where you go, there's always soy dogs around. The monks feed them, look after them. There's always soy dogs laying around in the grounds of every temple. As I say, the monks look after them, feed them. Let's have a look in here. Soy dog on the step there. Bit noisy because they're still doing some work. สวัสดีมิลาย Hello สวัสดี โอ้สวัสดีครับ Hello
นี่อะไร
Hello Hello
ฮัลโหล สวัสดี
สวัสดี